We want to look at word problems under simultaneous equation. So a question can be given to you in a statement form or in a problem form, and at the end of the day, you have to get some equations which are going to be like either two or three equations, and then you have to solve them simultaneously to get the required answers that you've been asked to get for us. And so, how do we go about that when it meets such questions? Let's take an example of such a question, and then we can explore about it, and probably maybe I'll give you one to try as well. All right. So the question reads: the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is 13, and no, not and. Their difference is 3. Find the numbers. So this is a typical word problem question. In mathematics, we have word problem or problem solving under each of the topics that we treat. And then we don't teach problem solving as a topic on its own. We don't teach you word problem as a topic on its own. But each topic has been structured in such a way that at the end of every topic, you are supposed to get a problem, which will have to require you to use your thinking caps. You have to think extra. That is what I'm just trying to. You have to think extra outside the box to be able to generate some of the answers that you meet in your questions or in your assignments as well. Okay, so when you have such a situation, you need to understand some of the key terms in the question. If you're able to get the meaning of the key terms in the question, then it becomes very easy for you to be able to work around the clock. If you don't understand the key terms in the question, then it will be very difficult for you. So let's take the solution. What are the key terms I'm talking about? One of the key terms is sum. The other one is difference. In mathematics, when we say sum, it simply is the result of addition. So when we say sum, it's the result that we get from adding two or more numbers, and that is the meaning of sum. So the question says the sum of two numbers is 13. If you want to get everything accurate, you have to first of all select maybe x be one of the numbers. If x is one of the numbers, then a different variable, say y, be the other number. So now you have defined x and y. So when I see x, I know what you're talking about. When I see y, I know what you're also talking about. So if x is the first number, y is the second number, then we have x plus y, which is the sum. The sum is equal to x plus y. Was given as 13, and then we have x plus y is equal to 13. This becomes equation 1. And then we're told that the difference in mathematics, when you hear of difference, it means the result that you get for subtracting two or more numbers. So the difference between them is 3. I have this as equation 2. And now I've been able to generate my equation 1, equation 2. It boils down to either using the elimination, substitution, graphical, or calculator method to work this out. So let's work this using the elimination method. We add because the operations here are different. 2x plus 0y is equal to 16. 2x is equal to 16. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 8. Put x is equal to 8 into either equation 1 or equation 2. 8 plus y is equal to 13. 8 is equal to y is equal to 13 minus 8. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 8, and then y is equal to 5. If I put 8 here, 8 plus 5, 13. 8 minus 5, 3. So it means that this is how we go about when we have a word problem in the simultaneous equations as well. Let's take this second question too, and then see if we can end over here. The sum of two numbers is negative 19 and their difference is 11. Find the numbers. So I'll just generate the two equations for you and then you solve it either using the elimination, substitution, or the graphical method. So let comma x be the first or the first number, and then y be the second number. Okay, so x plus y is equal to negative 19. X minus y is equal to 11. Equation 1, equation 2. So I've helped you get your equation 1, equation 2. Please do this and then put your answer in the comment section. I will go through